right, we made it to our open-ended and our 5th grade math PSSA test. Every week, Patrick attends basketball practice for 2 hours on Tuesday and 3 hours on Thursday. Patrick has been attending practice for 6 weeks. All right. Write a numerical expression with at least one operation symbol to represent the amount of time Patrick has spent at basketball practice the past 6 weeks. Listen, buddy, I'm going to give you a bunch of symbols. You ready? First things first, every week he does 2 hours on one day, 3 hours another day. So that's one thing that he does, 2 plus 3. On top of that, he's been attending practice for 6 weeks. So if I have one operation done and I need to start a new operation, I'm going to put that operation in parentheses. Now I have 6 groups of this many hours. 6 groups of that many hours is going to be 6 times that parentheses 2 plus 3. Now, again, there's probably other options that you could do. I could probably do 6 times 5 because PEMDAS says I would do that. But I have a feeling that that's going to be part B. So same exact directions. The expression below represents the number of points Patrick scored. Oh, okay, never mind. I take it back. So this is a brand new problem. The expression below shows the number of points Patrick scored in his last basketball game. Ugh. All right. How many points did Patrick score in his last game? Show or explain all of your work. Well, we are not going to explain anything. We are going to show. Okay, so let's just write this out. 2 times, parentheses, 4 plus 3, close parentheses, plus 3 times, parentheses, 1 plus 2, close parentheses, plus 2. You heard me say PEMDAS in part A, and I'm going to use PEMDAS again. PEMDAS helps me solve things that involve the order of operations. So let's write out PEMDAS, and I'll quickly explain what each of these mean. Now, the P in PEMDAS stands for not just parentheses, but everything inside the parentheses. You're going to do that first. The E stands for exponents. The M and the D does not stand for multiply, then divide. That means you go left to right and look for multiplication and division. And sometimes you multiply first, sometimes you divide first. It all depends on what you have. The A and the S, same thing with addition and subtraction. That does not mean you always add first. That means you go left to right. And sometimes you add first, sometimes you subtract first, whatever you have left to right. So let's take a look at what I have. I'm going to do the inside of the parentheses first. So I see 2 inside of the parentheses that I can do. I see 2 inside of the parentheses that I can do. 4 plus 3 is 7, so write 7 in parentheses. And 1 plus 2 is 3, write 3 in parentheses. Let's drop down everything we didn't use. So 2 times drops down, plus 3 times drops down, and then plus 2 drops down. So everything inside the parentheses, done. Exponents, nope. Multiply, divide, left to right. So let's take a look at left to right, and right away I have 2 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. Let's drop down everything we didn't use. Plus 3 times parentheses 3 plus 2. Am I done multiplying, dividing left to right? No, because I see another multiplication part right there. 3 times 3 is 9. So drop down that 9 and bring down all the other stuff we didn't touch. 14 plus 9 plus 2. Now I'm done multiplying, dividing. There's no division, so it's just multiplying, dividing. And I add or subtract left to right. So starting from the left, I have 4 plus 9, which is 23. Drop down that plus 2, and 23 plus 2 is 25. So how many points did Patrick score? 25 points. It asked us here to show our work or explain our work. I showed my work. That's all I need. Never do both. Never do both, because if you accidentally write out an explanation and you say something like, I multiplied 23 and 2, they're going to take points away from you. So if it says, show your work, and I did, I don't need to explain anything. That's part B. Finally, part C. During another game, Patrick scored points by making 2-point shots and by making 3-point shots. The two expressions below represent the number of points he scored from making 2-point shots and the number of points he scored from making 3-point shots. So the 2-point shots expression is 2 times parentheses 4 plus 6. The 3-point shots is 3 times parentheses 2 plus 3. Patrick claims he scored twice as many points from making 2-point shots as from making 3-point shots. All right, so let's look at our 2-point shots versus our 3-point shots. This is the equation for 2-point shots. 2 times parentheses 4 plus 6. PEMDAS says we do everything in parentheses first. 4 plus 6 is 10, and now all I have to worry about is 2 times 10, which is 20. So he scored 20 points off of 2-point shots. The 3-point shots are going to be 3 times 2 plus 3. PEMDAS says everything inside the parentheses first. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. So he made 20 points off of 2-point shots and 15 points out of 3-point shots. He claims that he scored twice as many. So 20 is not 2 times 15. Not at all. So why is Patrick's claim not correct? Well, he scored 20 points off 2-point shots and 15 points off 3-point shots, and 15 times 2 is not 20.